So I've heard for a few years the benefits of this course, and it's great to hear it. It's different when you're actually here. You get to climb into one of those things. You get to actually turn it on, switch gears, apply the brakes, understand what a pre-inspection check consists of. That thing's 80,000 pounds most of the time. And unless you're behind that wheel, you don't fully appreciate it. You know it's bigger, you know it's slower, you know it takes longer and more distance to do anything and everything that a regular passenger vehicle does. But it's a whole new ball game once you took the time to come up to Montana and do it for yourself. I would like to think that my clients choose us at accidentlawfirm.com because of our perseverance, our tenacity, the fact that we want to make sure our clients get what they deserve. But this is another tool in the tool shed where this experience is invaluable. I can't put a price on being able to handle a trucking case and having a better understanding what it is that this truck driver has to go through on a regular basis when they're starting their ride, when they're taking a break, when they're checking their load, and once they're done. And you hear, oh, they're driving for hours and hours. This isn't sitting there driving in your car like you're going to Disney and you just got to make sure you're paying attention and you have enough coffee on you. They have to be checking anything and everything that is a potential hazard at all times. It is hyper intensive on the brain. So at the end of their shifts, there's no way that it's like driving a regular passenger vehicle. I'd like to thank everybody in Montana. Everybody's been super gracious. Everybody's been super patient. And everybody clearly takes the time to make sure that you are understanding not just the what or the how, but more importantly, the why. Because that why, when it's not followed properly, is what leads to somebody's calling you at your law firm that unfortunately somebody was involved in a bad wreck.